Every time artificial intelligence makes the news, there's one headline that grabs everyone's attention. AI is coming for your job. It's understandable why people worry. New tools appear almost every week, and they seem to be getting smarter by the day. But I think we're asking the wrong question. The real question isn't whether AI will replace your job, it's whether you're learning to use AI better than the people around you. Because, as NYU professor Scott Galloway famously said, AI won't take your job, but someone using AI will. And once you understand why that's true, AI becomes a lot less scary and a lot more useful. The biggest misconception about AI is that people think of jobs as one thing. They're not. Every job is actually a collection of dozens, even hundreds of individual tasks. Think about a teacher. They don't just teach, they plan lessons, answer emails, grade assignments, create presentations, analyze student data, communicate with parents, attend meetings, solve problems, encourage students, and make hundreds of decisions every day. The same is true for an accountant, a nurse, a lawyer, an engineer, or a manager. A job isn't one activity, it's an entire ecosystem of work. And that's exactly where AI fits. AI works best at the task level, not the job level. It can summarize a long report in seconds. It can draft an email. It can organize meeting notes. It can brainstorm ideas when you're stuck. It can analyze data, write a first draft, create a presentation outline, or answer routine questions. These are tasks that consume valuable time, but they often don't require the full expertise, experience, or judgment that only a human can provide. Now, imagine what happens when AI takes 10 or 20% of those repetitive tasks off your plate. Suddenly, you have more time for the work that actually matters, more time to solve complex problems, more time to build relationships, more time to coach, create, innovate, and think strategically. AI isn't replacing your expertise. It's creating more opportunities to use it. This is why organizations should stop asking what jobs can AI replace? That's the wrong conversation. A much better question is what tasks are slowing people down and how can AI help? That shift changes everything. Instead of trying to eliminate people, organizations reduce busy work. Instead of replacing expertise, they amplify it. Instead of automating entire roles, they make the people in those roles more productive, more consistent, and more effective. This task based approach also makes AI much easier to adopt. People don't have to overhaul everything they do overnight. They can start small. Maybe AI helps summarize meeting notes. Maybe it drafts a newsletter. Maybe it organizes research or generates ideas for a project. These are low risk ways to build confidence while keeping humans firmly in the loop. And that's an important point. AI should never operate without human oversight in situations that require judgment, ethics, privacy, or trust. AI doesn't understand your organization's culture. It doesn't know your students, your customers, or your community. It doesn't build relationships. It doesn't take responsibility for difficult decisions. Those are fundamentally human strengths, and they always will be. The people who thrive over the next decade won't necessarily be the ones with the most technical expertise. They'll be the ones who learn how to collaborate with AI. They'll know which tasks to delegate, which tasks require human judgment, and how to combine both into better work than either could produce alone. So don't think of AI as your replacement. Think of it as your teammate, a teammate that never gets tired of repetitive work, a teammate that helps you start faster, think broader, and spend more of your day doing the work that only you can do. Because the future isn't humans versus AI, it's humans with AI. And history has shown us something over and over again. The people who learn to use powerful new tools are the ones who create the future, not the ones who fear them. If you start looking at AI through the lens of tasks instead of jobs, you'll stop asking whether AI is coming for your career. You'll start asking something much more valuable. How can AI help me become even better at what I do? And that's the question worth answering.